Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on YouHodler. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open your YouHodler application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and then from the options displayed on the screen, navigate to the two-factor authentication under account and tap on it. Select the Enable button right next to Authenticator app, and you can now install any authenticator application of your choice. You can choose to install Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, or Google Authenticator. Go ahead and scroll through your App Store or your Play Store and find Authenticator application of your choice. In my case, I've downloaded the Google Authenticator. Simply go ahead and download the Authenticator app and then tap on Open. In order to open up the app, make sure to sign up for the Authenticator by entering your Google account's credentials or any other account's credentials that you selected. Go ahead and log into your Authenticator application of your choice, and once you are in, tap on the little plus icon at the bottom right. Now, select whether you'd like to scan a QR code from YouHodler or simply enter a setup key manually. Select one of the choices and tap on it. I've chosen the manual setup option. Now, get back to your YouHodler application and you will then be able to see the code generated. Tap on the copy button, and once you've copied the code, get back to your Authenticator app and paste it inside the key tab. You can also write down the account's name for yourself so that you can identify it later. I'm just going to type in YouHodler. Now tap on Add, and soon after you've added the YouHodler authentication, simply tap on it and then enter the 6-digit code generated from the Authenticator app. Now tap on Enable, and you have now been signed out. Next time you sign into your account, you will now need to enter your credentials along with the Authenticator code that appears on your Authenticator application of your choice. Simply copy the code and paste it in while signing in, and you will then be able to log in with the two-factor authentication. You will need to enter the code generated by your Authenticator app every time you log in or prompted. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.